Hello everyone. This is a project on creating a web server using Docker. This video provides a clear and beginner-friendly explanation of Docker, one of the most powerful tools for containerization and DevOps. In this video, we explore the basics of Docker, what it is, why it's used, and how it works. Docker allows developers to package applications and all their dependencies into a single container, ensuring consistency across environments. Whether you are a developer, a system admin, or just curious about DevOps, this video will help you understand how Docker simplifies building, shipping, and running applications.